Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In this video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make my Italian sodas and what I use to make them. Since I started doing this, guys, I have saved myself tons, seeing as though my kids like to get these all the time when we go to the gas station. So if you guys want to see how I make these Italian sodas and what I use, keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing I am going to do is change my SodaStream tank in here because I actually bought this on Black Friday. I got the SodaStream bundle. It came with the SodaStream machine. It came with 3 of these gas tanks here, the SodaStream gas tanks. It came with 2 water bottles and 4 bottles of syrup, like some kind of sugar-free syrup, which I did not like because they were just gross. So that's why I kind of switched over to Torani and Lotus. Now here is one of the water bottles that came with it. How cute are these? Like I said, I got 2. I filled it up with some spring water, and now I'm going to pump gas in it 6 times, okay, because I love very sparkly water. They said anywhere from 1 to 6, and that right there, that little splash that you saw, they said that's normal. I guess that's because of the the carbonation kind of building up in the bottle, and it just kind of comes over the top. They said it's normal, so yeah, but this right here is how I like it, just like that right there, very, very sparkly. I love club soda as well. I also get a lot of those from HEB, but yeah. I got my ice here. I went in with 3 cups of blue raspberry syrup, 2 of the coconut, and now I'm gonna add in my water. And guys, look at that water. I love sparkling water, so like I said, that's why I always pump 6 times, because I always get this effect right there. Love it. So now I'm adding in 2 pumps of Purple Lotus, which is a healthy energy drink, which is so good, actually way better than RB and M, if you guys know what those are. So I gave this a good mix, and yeah guys, like I said, every time we go to the gas station, my kids always jump out and go in there, go to that big machine in there and get the soda and all that. And since I started doing this, it has saved me tons. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make my Italian sodas using Torani and SodaStream. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.